Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and today I'm making a video to show you just how excited I am about the latest radio from Soundstream Reserve. They've done it again, another industry first. They have built a certified Apple CarPlay Android Auto radio with a 7.7-inch screen that fits the fairing of the Street Glides, the Ultras, the Electric Glides, and the Road Glides from 1998 to 2013. You're going to want to watch this video to learn more about the latest radio from Soundstream for your Harley. Before we get into all the details, I know you're going to want this radio. I need to talk about when it's going to be available. By the end of March, we expect 1,000 of these to be in the United States, ready to ship out to dealers. And once they get through customs and to us, we're going to ship to our customers. So if you pre-order now at volunteeraudio.com, you can expect no later than April 15th to get that radio delivered to you. Now, this is an estimated timeline, and if anything changes, we'll update that information on our website. But let's get into more about the radio. Our friends at Soundstream have done it again, another industry first. This is the first radio built for those 1998 to 2013 Harley-Davidsons that fit in the factory radio opening with certified wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on board. It also gives you the ability to add on Sirius XM, has built-in AM/FM, and a USB input for USB music. This radio has a custom 7.7-inch high-definition widescreen with a quantum film LCD display. It's going to give you vibrant colors and sharp clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. So we don't have to worry about the sun as we're trying to see our radio going down the road. The WHD9813 includes a powerful 4-channel Class AB amplifier on board. It's 2-ohm stable and able to deliver strong, clear sound directly to your speakers or out the strong 5-volt built-in RCAs. It has both front, rear, and subwoofer RCA outputs, with full control of those crossovers that power those in the settings menu. This radio has advanced sound tuning capability with a built-in 15-band digital EQ on board. It gives you the ability to set 2 custom EQs, plus many different genre presets are already in the radio. This radio includes a 21-inch USB cable that's designed to replace the factory cigarette lighter to give you easy access to plug your phone into charge or put a USB drive in place to listen to music. The radio faceplate is IPX5 marine rated. This means it's ready for all weather conditions and washing. No worry about getting caught in the rain and having a radio fail. This is designed specifically for Harley for both weather and vibration. All right, so there's always a few things I need to tell you about that a radio can't do in this year range bike. This particular radio is not going to do wired or wireless headsets, and it's not going to maintain any of the factory CB functionality. If you have a CVO model, this is a CVO, but if you have one with the factory Harman Kardon branded boom amplifier, there's no radio on the market to retain that. So you are going to have to upgrade that amp and speakers to go along with it, which it's probably time to do that. But if you're looking for the most awesome radio that fits in that fairing, I think the look is beautiful. And I want you to let me know, comment below, let me know what you think about the look of this radio and this fairing. This is it. This is the one that's going to give you the phone connectivity you've been looking for, the sound you've been looking for, and the look and style that you've been going for while being weatherproof. They've done it. They've knocked it out of the park. And we are so happy to have this new radio from Soundstream Reserve. Get it now at volunteeraudio.com. You can just click on one of the links in the video. Right now it's on pre-order because it is early March, but we expect to have it to you by mid-April. If you want to be one of the first to get it, now's the time to order it, and we have it at the lowest allowed price. And at Volunteer Audio, you're going to get the best customer service, the best after-the-sale support, and we'll have step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to install it in your bike. And don't forget, we also build amazing plug-and-play speaker and amp packages to go along with every radio from Soundstream Reserve. Comment below, let me know what you think about the radio. I want to know how much you love it and how much you love the look and the style in this fairing. So let me know about that, along with the feature set that's on board. And at the price, this is the lowest cost option for this bike as well. There's no other radio that stands a chance from any other manufacturer. We're excited about it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.